This is a hefty pour too. Hefty pour. Woo! Virginia is for Grubbers. Today we are in Round Hill, Virginia at More Better Beer and Garden. They have a beautiful outdoor space, great indoor space for another old-fashioned Friday. Round Hill is a very, very small town in western Loudoun County. I believe it's still Loudoun, might be Clark. I think it's still Loudoun. Beautiful, beautiful town. We almost bought a home here. Two of them. Lost both of them. Real estate market is crazy. But again, More Better Beer and Garden for another old-fashioned Friday. You guys know how this works. It's 0 through 3 off appearance, 0 through 3 off first sip, 0 through 3 off of overall, and 0 through 1 on ambiance of the restaurant itself. So we'll get right into the appearance itself. I don't know if you guys can see. Is that tracking? Tracking, kind of tracking. All right, cool. So everyone knows, big stickler for the single cube, no single cube. So, no worries. Decent sized glass. I believe there's muddled orange and cherry in there as well. So, you know, obviously not the fanciest, but, you know, not terrible either. So we'll go 1.9 on appearance, first sip. Okay, not bad. I never ask what kind of bourbon they use, and I also never ask for like a unique version of one. So if they have like a special version where they use, I've seen some where they use vodka and they use different ingredients. We're sticking to the classics. Fairly good first sip. We'll go 2-3 off first sip, and then overall. This is a hefty pour too. Hefty pour. So if I were to crush this in like the next minute, it would be bad. They also have amazing food here. I'm gonna order like they have like a German-based menu, so I'm gonna order like maybe a pretzel and maybe one of the other appetizers that they have as well after I finish this. All right, what I say, 2-3 off first sip. Because of the no single cube, obviously the ice gets in there a little faster. We'll go flat 2 for overall taste. It's a beautiful place. As far as the overall ambiance is concerned, we'll go full 1. Again, they have a beautiful little outdoor section. Now that it's snowy and kind of ugly outside, doesn't maybe look the best, but I can imagine here on a nice spring, even fall or summer day. Beautiful, gorgeous, spaced out area out here. They also have a beautiful indoor space with garage doors, so the doors can come up. You can walk in and out, kind of like an indoor-outdoor restaurant space. More better beer garden. More better beer garden. I believe that's what it's called. Yeah. So what I say, 2 and 2-3 is 4-3, 1-9, 5-3, 6-2 plus 1, 7-2. 7-2. More beer. More better. Why do I keep screwing that up? More Better Beer and Garden. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.